CampBot. CampBot is a fully autonomous camping trailer that takes outdoor adventure to a whole new level of convenience. Designed to drive itself to your chosen campsite, it can independently navigate off-road terrain, park, level itself, and deploy with zero manual input. Powered by solar energy and equipped with satellite connectivity, this high-tech camper offers a seamless and sustainable experience. Inside, you'll find a cozy, modern interior with a foldable bed, compact kitchen, built-in entertainment system, and climate control. With smart sensors and AI integration, CampBot adjusts lighting and temperature based on your needs, making off-grid living feel like a luxury hotel on wheels. HUPI-WAGON is not your average camping setup. It's a futuristic, flat-pack shelter that combines minimalist design with high functionality. Inspired by space architecture, this lightweight unit assembles quickly on almost any terrain and features a geometric, starship-like design. The interior is customizable with a memory foam bed, built-in furniture, and ambient lighting, while the structure itself is powered by solar panels and offers Wi-Fi via Starlink, making it perfect for digital nomads. With sustainable materials and off-grid utilities like water storage and composting toilets, HUPI turns any remote landscape into a stylish, self-sufficient retreat that's as Instagram-worthy as it is comfortable. Ark Shelter. The Ark Shelter is a sleek, prefabricated cabin built for off-grid serenity and minimalist living. Designed with sustainability in mind, it features eco-friendly materials, integrated solar panels, a rainwater harvesting system, and full insulation for year-round use. Its signature floor-to-ceiling glass walls provide breathtaking panoramic views, allowing you to connect with nature while staying warm and dry inside. The interior is clean and modern, featuring a bedroom, compact kitchen, bathroom, and living area that maximizes space through intelligent layout. Ideal for remote getaways, Airbnb rentals, or tiny home enthusiasts, the Ark Shelter offers luxury and solitude in equal measure. HUPI-WAGON is a fully autonomous, self-sustaining smart home that represents the future of off-grid living. Designed to operate independently from all utilities, it's powered by solar energy and includes advanced features like air and water purification, waste recycling, and AI-based climate control. Its futuristic look houses a smart interior with a full kitchen, bathroom, living area, and a bedroom, all crafted with modern luxury in mind. Built to withstand harsh weather, from icy mountains to scorching deserts, HUPI-WAGON is mobile, efficient, and eco-friendly. It's perfect for those who want total freedom from the grid without compromising on comfort or tech. Off-Grid HC Container House Gaia. The Gaia model from the Off-Grid HC Container House series transforms a standard shipping container into a fully functional and stylish living space. Built with sustainability at its core, the unit features solar panels, rainwater harvesting, thermal insulation, and a bio-toilet system. The interior offers a compact yet spacious setup with a kitchen, living area, bathroom, and sleeping loft, all customizable based on user preferences. With its industrial chic aesthetic and modular design, the Gaia can be deployed in remote locations or urban backyards alike. It's an excellent solution for those who want a permanent or mobile off-grid lifestyle with minimal environmental impact. EcoCapsule is a futuristic micro-home designed to provide fully autonomous living in even the most remote environments. Shaped like a sleek egg, its aerodynamic shell houses solar panels, a wind turbine, and systems for water filtration and storage, enabling off-grid living without external support. The interior maximizes efficiency with a foldable bed, kitchenette, bathroom with a shower, and smart controls for energy and climate. Lightweight and portable, the EcoCapsule can be towed or airlifted into remote areas, making it perfect for researchers, adventurers, or eco-conscious travelers who want sustainable freedom with modern comforts in a compact package. PlugVan. PlugVan is a revolutionary modular system that transforms a standard cargo van into a fully equipped camper in less than 5 minutes. The unit slides into the back of most vans and includes everything you need: a bed, modular storage, a kitchenette, water tanks, and optional solar power. Designed for flexibility, it can be removed just as easily, allowing the van to return to its original cargo-carrying function. With Plug Van, you don't need to commit to a full camper van build, just plug it in when adventure calls. It's the perfect solution for spontaneous travel, part-time van lifers, or anyone wanting a versatile mobile lifestyle. Inflatable tent gone are the days of fumbling with tent poles and spending hours setting up camp. The inflatable tent is a revolutionary design that uses air-filled beams to provide structure, allowing for setup in just minutes with a simple pump. These tents are crafted from tough, Adrift luxury inflatable tent. If you think inflatable tents can't be luxurious, think again. The ADRIFT luxury inflatable tent redefines the camping experience with a premium design that merges comfort, elegance, and innovation. With high ceilings, full-size windows, and sleek interior finishes, it's more like a boutique hotel room in the middle of the wilderness. It inflates in minutes thanks to its high-pressure airframe and comes with integrated lighting, weatherproof materials, and optional solar panels for off-grid comfort. The space is big enough to include a lounge area, sleeping quarters, and even a mini workspace. It's the perfect setup for glamping enthusiasts, digital nomads, or anyone who wants to enjoy nature without sacrificing luxury. Gofraday Float Wing. For those who dream of living on the water, the Gofraday Float Wing is a game changer. This modular floating home is designed for sustainability, autonomy, and modern style. Equipped with solar panels, waste treatment systems, and a lightweight structure, it's perfect for off-grid aquatic living. The interior is sleek and modern, featuring a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and panoramic windows that immerse you in your surroundings. It's available in different sizes and layouts, customizable to your lifestyle needs. Whether you're anchoring in a peaceful lake or cruising along the coast, the Float Wing offers a tranquil yet high-tech experience that redefines houseboat living. Rubitrax. Rubishack designed for serious off-road adventurers, the Rubitrax Rubishack is a tough, mobile shelter that goes wherever your vehicle can take you. Built on a sturdy trailer frame, it features heavy-duty materials and insulation, making it suitable for all-season use in remote locations. Inside, you'll find a minimalist but functional space with sleeping areas, storage compartments, and space for off-grid utilities like solar power and water tanks. Its compact form makes towing easy, while its rugged build ensures it can withstand rough terrain and extreme weather. Ideal for overlanders, explorers, and nomads, the Rubishack is all about taking home with you, no matter how far off the beaten path you roam. Flex Dome. The Flex Dome is an innovative geodesic shelter that combines eye-catching design with sustainable functionality. Its dome shape isn't just for aesthetics. It maximizes strength, energy efficiency, and space usage. Constructed with modular, lightweight panels that are easy to transport and assemble, the Flex Dome is ideal for eco-tourism, glamping resorts, or backyard studios. It features natural, light-friendly materials, temperature regulation, and can be outfitted with solar panels or a green roof. With a setup time of just a few hours and a lifespan of decades, it's perfect for semi-permanent living or experimental off-grid projects. The Flex Dome proves that sustainable design can be both practical and beautiful.